everyone. I am Santosh Shogonda Hundrao. Today date is 15 January 2022. Today topic is thread life cycle and thread scheduler in Java. Thread scheduler can be exist in different state. just just because of thread start method has been called, it is doesn't mean that the threads has access to the CPU and can start executing straight away. Several factors determines how it will process. So at the end of this article, we will understand the life cycle of the thread in Java. Thread life cycle in Java: a thread goes through the various stages in its life cycle. According to Sun, there are only four stages of thread life cycle in Java: new, runnable, non-runnable, and terminated. There is no running state, but for better understanding the threads, we are explaining in five states. The life cycle of thread in Java is controlled by JVM. For better understanding, look below at look the Java thread states are follows: newborn thread, runnable thread, running thread, blocked runnable, and dead terminated. Following are the stages of the cycle. First one is a a new thread begins its life cycle in the new states. It remains in this state until the program starts the thread. It is also referred to as a born thread. In the simple word, a thread has been created, but it has not yet been started. A thread is started by calling its start method, runnable thread. The thread is in the runnable state after the invocation of the start method, but the thread scheduler has been not selected it's to be the running thread. A thread starts life in ready to run state by calling the starts method and wait for its turn. The thread scheduler decide which thread runs and for how long. Running state: when the thread starts executing, the the states it changes the running state. The scheduler select one thread from the thread pool, and it starts executing in the application. Dead: this state is when the thread is terminated. The thread is in running state, and as soon as complete processing in it is in dead state. Once a thread is in state, the thread cannot be even run again. Blocked, non-runnable state: this is the state when when the thread is still alive but the currently not eligible to run. A thread that is blocked waiting for a monitor lock is in this state. Running thread can transit to one of the non-runnable state, depends on the situation. A thread remains in a non-runnable state until a special transition occurs. A thread doesn't go direct to the running state from a non-runnable state, but transistor first to the ready to run state. Non-runnable states can be characterized as follows. First one is sleeping. The thread sleeps for the specified amount of time. Blocked for input output. In the this method, the thread waits for the blocking operation to complete. Blocked for join. completion, the threads await completion of the another thread, waiting for notification. The threads await notification from the another thread. Blocked for lock acquisition, the threads waits to acquire the lock of object. Second one is the JVM executive thread based on priority and scheduling. Example, threads life cycle. uh, Here we are giving a simple example of the thread life cycle. In this example, we will create a Java class where we will create a thread, and then we will use some of its method that represent its life cycle. In this example, we have used the method and indicate the purpose with the comment line. We have created two threads subclasses named A1 and B. In both classes have to override the run method and execute the statements. Then we create the uh, life cycle thread life cycle Java .java class where the create the instance of both classes and uses to starts method to move the thread into the running state. Build method to move the control the another method sleep method to move the into blocked state, and another after successful completion of the run method, and the thread is automatically moved into that state. Thank you.